we're diving into the world of random password generators. In this digital age, everything from your bank accounts to your social media profiles relies on passwords. It's a handy tool that creates complex random passwords for you. These passwords are virtually impossible for hackers to guess, providing an extra layer of security for your accounts. Click to the link in the description to go to the random password generator of Avast. As you can observe, you have the flexibility to adjust the parameters and discover the ideal password for your needs. Once you're done, simply click the copy button. So there you have it. Remember, your digital security is in your hands, so make sure to use random, strong passwords for all your accounts. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and cybersecurity advice. Stay safe online, everyone. Until next time, bye.